One thing to keep in mind when you're beginning this process, indoor growing succeeds or fails on light, but not in the way you may expect. You don't need big fancy industrial lights. You don't need to understand the watts or the spectrum charts. Most of what matters is consistent. So you want to have the lights on all the time. Brightness, either 100 watts for fruiting plants or 50 watts minimum for greens and herbs, and keep the lights close to the plants. As a seedling, they need to be really close, like about here. You can start to back them away as that plant is growing up. And then I would say minimum 12, 14 hours, if you can, 16 hours per day for most plants. The good thing about this is modern LED grow lights are really efficient. They're cool, they're designed for indoor spaces. You can work on a countertop in a built-in hydroponic system. So really efficient. And by efficient, I mean you're really not going to notice much at all in your power bill changing, but you will notice fresh greens that don't have chemicals on them and that are harvestable at any moment in time. So this solves a lot of issues for most families. You want to make sure that these LED grow lights are the right wattage, and you want to make sure that they're close to the plants as they're starting off. So make sure you've got that consistent light. Brightness is also consistent, and then you want to have that 14, say 12, somewhere between 12 and 16 hours. More time is better. Once they get beyond the seedling stage, I would max out at about 16 hours per day.